Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And to this video, I will show you on how to cancel your 1688 Chinese shopping app account, or how you can legally delete your 1688 Chinese shopping app account from your device without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, go ahead and click on me. The next thing you want to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to click on account and security. Now you are here. Under cancel account, click on that and follow instruction. Follow the prompt and completely delete your account. Just like what you see right here. You have cancel account right here. So click on that and follow instruction right here. The account will be completely deleted legally, and all information you have on that particular 1688 account will be fully deleted. Then from there, you can create a new 1688 account on the same device. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.